Understanding how and why hair grows helps us to better understand how to properly care for the hair. Our learning objectives will be to identify and distinguish the different structures of the hair root, and to point out and differentiate the differences among the three main layers of the hair shaft. We begin with trichology, or the scientific study of the hair and its diseases and care. A mature strand of hair is divided into two parts, the hair root and the hair shaft. The hair root is the part of the hair located below the surface of the epidermis, and is the portion of the hair we cannot visibly see. There are 5 main structures of the hair root. They are the hair follicle, the hair bulb, the dermal papilla, the erector pili muscle and the sebaceous glands. The hair shaft is the portion of the hair that projects above the epidermis, and is the portion of the hair that we see and touch. There are 3 main layers of the hair shaft: the cuticle, the cortex, and the medulla. The hair follicle is the tube-like pocket that contains the hair root. Hair follicles are found on all parts of the body, except for the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. The hair bulb is the thickened, club-shaped structure that forms the lower portion of the hair root. The hair bulb fits over and covers the dermal papilla. The dermal papilla is the small cone-shaped elevation located at the base of the hair follicle. The dermal papilla contains the blood and nerve supply that provides the nutrients needed for hair growth. The erector pili muscle is the small, involuntary muscle located in the hair follicle. When you sense strong emotions, such as fear or cold, this muscle will contract, causing the goosebumps that make the hair stand straight up. The sebaceous glands are the oil glands that secrete sebum. Sebum is the oily substance that helps to lubricate and protect the hair and skin. The cuticle is the outermost layer of the hair strand. It is composed of overlapping layers of cells, similar to snakeskin. The cuticle protects the inner hair shaft and creates the shine and feel of the hair. The cortex is the middle layer of the hair strand. This is where the melanin pigment of the hair is found. The cortex composes about 90% of the hair's total weight. The cortex also comprises most of the hair strength and elasticity. All chemical changes take place inside the cortex of the hair. The medulla is the innermost layer of the hair shaft and is composed of round-shaped cells. Generally, only thick hair contains a medulla, whereas fine hair generally lacks a medulla. All male-beard hair contains a medulla. The medulla portion of the hair shaft is not involved in, nor is it affected by, any salon services.